Hello, the student of Capital Public School. Today we will read the topic tense, subject English grammar, fourth part of the past tense, past perfect continuous tense. Identify of this tense. Identity with time plus had been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus time plus since or for plus time. Helping verb, short form of the helping verb HB. I have denoted it before many times. Had been for the both singular and plural number of subject. Rule. First of all, I want to tell you where we use since and for. Note, since. It is used point of the time. Such as month's name, year's name, day's name, o'clock, morning and evening. Months names such as January, February, March, April, May. Years name 2020, 2019, 1990. Days name Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, morning and evening. फॉर का प्रयोग कहाँ करते हैं हम? Where we use the for period of time. Period of the time, such as number of the month, month, year, days, hour, we use period of the time, number of the month, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 10 year, 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, 1 hours, 2 hours, and 3 hours. We use for this the for rules for affirmative sentences, declarative sentences, subject plus helping verb plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time had been used for both singular and plural number of subjects. Now, see the example. Ram, helping verb, had been playing cricket for 3 hours. This is the period of time, no definite time for which period of 3 hours. 1 o'clock it starts, or 2 o'clock, or 3 o'clock. No point of time is indicating here. Here is indicating period after time. यहाँ अनिश्चित समय का बोध हो रहा है, निश्चित समय का कोई बोध नहीं हो रहा है। किस 3 घंटे से वो खेल रहा है? सुबह से खेल रहा है, दोपहर से खेल रहा है, मॉर्निंग से उसने खेल रहा है, आफ्टरनून से और इवनिंग से, और 3 hours. Next example, the girl had been reading the book since Sunday. This is the point of time. Sunday से लड़की पढ़ रही थी. Now, negative sentence rule: subject plus had plus not plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. The boys had not been going to market for to for 2 months. The players had not been playing the match since January. Now, interrogative begins with helping verb had plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus ing plus object plus since or plus time at last question mark. You start with helping verb subject helping verb add plus subject plus being plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus since या or. Now example had Rahim catching the fish since morning. Had they been working here for 10 years. Now begins with WH family. The word WH family plus had plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time at last question mark. Where had the teacher teaching English for 5 months question mark. Why had the child beeping loudly since 1 o'clock question mark. Past perfect continuous. I am repeating it. How identify this type of tense, past perfect continuous? In Hindi, at last, this type of sentence begins with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Differences between past continuous and past perfect continuous. In past continuous, there is no given of any kind of time. But in the past perfect tense, always containing time. लेकिन पास्ट परफेक्ट में समय दिया होता है. इसलिए so identity of the past perfect continuous tense with the time plus had been. This is the helping verb of this tense plus first form of the verb plus ing plus since plus for since slash for plus time. Helping verb had been both singular and plural numbers are subject. एक वचन और बहुवचन दोनों कर्ता के लिए ये प्रयोग किया जाता है. एक हमें ये देखना है कि सिंस का प्रयोग कहाँ होता है और फॉर का. तो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, इसे हम कहते हैं निश्चित समय. एक निश्चित समय है, जैसे महीनों के नाम, साल के नाम, दिनों के नाम और बजे, वो क्लॉक, मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग. लेकिन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अनिश्चित समय के लिए जो होता है उसका उदाहरण है जैसे महीनों की संख्या 1 महीने, 2 महीने, 3 महीने. साल की संख्या 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल. दिनों की संख्या 2-4 दिन, 10 दिन. और घंटे 1-2 घंटे, 3 घंटे. नाउ द रूल अफर्मेटिव. Subject plus helping verb plus verb plus ing plus object plus since and for plus time. Now this is the example of since and for. Two examples of the affirmative, declarative or the simple sentences. Ram had been playing cricket for 3 hours and the girl had been reading the book since Sunday. Negative sentence, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb first form of the verb plus ing plus subject plus since or for plus time. Now examples, the boys had not been going to market for 2 months. The players had not been playing the match since January. Now interrogative, the sentence which begins with helping verb had plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus subject plus since or for plus time. And at last question mark. Had rain catching the face since morning? Had they been working there for 10 years? Now interrogative rules for begins WH family. WH family's word plus had plus be subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus subject plus since or for plus time. Where had the teacher teaching English for 5 months? Why had the child beeping loudly since 1 o'clock? Pause the video and write it in your notebook. Now, for 6th class homework, you have to complete each affirmative, negative and interrogative. Affirmative, negative and interrogative. Each 3 examples. 3 examples. For class 7 is affirmative, negative and Interrogative. 4 examples. For 8th class, each affirmative, short form of the affirmative, negative and interrogative. 5 examples, each sentences. Affirmatives 5 example, negatives 5 example and interrogative examples. Same for 6 homework में affirmative के 3 examples, negative के 3 examples, interrogative के both begins with helping verb and begins with WH family's word. 3 examples. For 7th class, affirmatives 4 example, negatives 4 example, interrogatives 4 example. There is 2 types of interrogative, begins with helping verbs and begins with WH family. And for the 8th classes, affirmatives 5 example, negatives 5 example and interrogatives 2 type of interrogatives. Each begins with helping verb 5 example and begins with WH families 5 example. Now your this tense past perfect continuous has completed. Thank you.